Hello again guys, in this quick video, let's discuss how to fix no sound on Instagram video. First, let's open your Instagram application, and from here, as you can see, a video is being played, and if you didn't hear any audio or sound coming from that video, first, just make sure that this video is unmuted. As you can see, there is a sound icon here which is muted. Just tap this icon to unmute that video. If ever there is still no sound on that video, just put your audio level or sound level of your phone to a maximum level for you to hear the audio coming from that video. Okay, let's try that. Okay, as you can see here, this volume level, just make it to a maximum level, or else don't put your phone into a silent mode. Just tap this, and if still there is no audio coming from this video, the last thing that you need to do is to update your Instagram application. Okay, just go to your Play Store and search this Instagram, and if there is an update option, just update your Instagram application. Okay, that's it guys on how to fix no sound on Instagram video. If you think that this video helps you a lot, keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.